there's one way to screw up your YouTube channel. And that's by having rubbish thumbnails. Now, I know a lot of people create good thumbnails now that AI has come. But what about the old videos, you know, the ones before AI even existed that are still getting views? But I guess people don't click on them because they don't have a good thumbnail. Well, now there's this new app which is called ZippyClip. It's also an AI video editor, but you can see this, what it can do. It can also go back to all of your thumbnails and just fix them. It's called Historical Thumbnail Pro. Now check out this thumbnail here. It's confusing. It's just a person talking. It's me, by the way. It's me talking in this. I click on it and click this one click, grab transcript and set for first thumbnail button. I literally click on it and wait a few seconds and it loads, and in a number of seconds this thumbnail here is literally going to switch into a much more appealing and fun thumbnail. So check it out, it just finished right now. It's fixed the thumbnail and it looks much more appealing. It's using a very powerful AI model. So as you can see, most of my videos have pretty amazing thumbnails, but the ones that haven't, I just click one click over here and it generates a thumbnail. It listens to the entire video and just creates an unbelievable thumbnail, and then you update it and check it out in a second. There we go, amazing. And you can literally just load all of your videos and go one at a time and just grab the transcript and just do it. So if you're feeling bad for not taking care of your thumbnails, then this is the time to do it. Now, this app is not only a thumbnail for historical videos that you've forgotten about. This app actually edits your video for you. Yeah, I know it doesn't make sense that the same app can do so much, but it can. Not only can it edit your video, it can do thumbnails and publish to all your channels as well. Yes, if you thought that was it, it can literally take a video that you've just dropped and update and edit it, put thumbnails, put effects like the one in this video, If you're seeing any effects in this video, they were made using this app. If you're seeing any subtitles, any sound effects, any music, any zooms, it was done by this app. Just dropped it onto the timeline and click one button and it just publishes to all your channels with the latest meaning with amazing titles, SEO key phrases and everything. Absolutely insane workflow. If you want this, just type ZippyClip and then I'll send you the link to it so you can start fixing your old thumbnails and also perhaps even editing your videos. So if you don't edit your videos, if you're lazy like me, now you're going to be able to edit your videos, because now it just means pressing one button. Let me actually show you that just while you're here. It's just a one click. Once you add a video to your timeline, all you do is press one click and it will just edit. You type a prompt, what you want to edit over here. Just type anything you want, blah blah blah, and it will do the edit according to you want. Let me just show you a one of them here. Check this out. This is how it looks when you actually type a proper prompt. Check this out. It thinks about what you've requested and then it starts editing. Watch this. Yeah, it's listening to the prompt, it's choosing the skills, and it's gonna just start taking care of everything. It's gonna zoom in, it's gonna put sound effects and everything. So if you want to see more videos edited by this app, just follow me, because all of my videos are edited by this app. And when you think it's right for you, just comment ZippyClip on any of my videos and I'll send it to you. So as you can see, now it's placing the subtitles in the right place. It's probably going to scan the scene to see where I go. It's going to add effects and everything. This is unbelievable. Alright guys, see you in the next video and bye for now.